In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a page you want to edit in the content editor. This is particularly useful if you have the URL of a page but are having trouble locating it because your Sitecore instance has a lot of pages and subpages which are hard to navigate in the content tree. Each page in the content tree is named after its URL and nested under any pages in its URL structure. You can follow this URL structure in the content tree to find your page. For example, for our URL here, getfishtank.ca/blog/easiest solar app service setup, we can follow this structure in the content tree to find the page we want to edit. If your Sitecore instance has a search feature enabled, you can also use this to locate the page or item you're looking for.